Hi guys, welcome back. Come along with me today as I explore the dollar spot at Target. So stay tuned till the end. I found a lot of items my kids would love and a lot of summertime items. Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'd like you to start off by hitting that subscribe button and that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. I make a lot of shop with me videos as well as fashion, beauty, hauls, and anything that I think that's worth sharing with all of you. So please watch my videos till the end, and I would really appreciate if you could like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. They had a variety of beverage holders. So they were very cute. And these pelican sunglasses were so cute. They had a lot of inflatable items, and this watering can flamingo was so cute. Target had a lot of cute tropical themed items. This nice pineapple made of wood. And this was made of ceramic. This was $5. They had this really nice beach towels, very colorful. These wet dry bags were $3, and they had a variety of these different colors. And nice inspirational quotes on them. And they had plastic drinkware. And these were all $1. They had these really cute appetizer plates. And you get 4 appetizer plates for $3. These wooden spoons were very good quality. They were $3. They had 10 LED lights. Some nice quotes on napkins. They had a variety of wall art as well. And they had a lot of things for kids and games for $3. This was checkers and tic-tac-toe. These were the flying discs for kids. This was with dinosaur and mermaids. They had the jelly drawstring bag for $10. Very good quality, really nice, colorful. But I'm not sure why these were under the dollar spot if it's $10. These were $3. The quality was okay. And they had different swimming goggles for kids. And this kids swim mask was $5. They also had a variety of beach bags for $3. And this foam shooter was $3. And my son enjoys this. He loves it. And they had a lot of items for the beach. The sand bucket was $1. That's it for today's Shop With Me video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I would love